Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up D-Link R03 N300 Eagle Pro AI Smart Router. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this D-Link R03 N300 Eagle Pro router setup is the one of the best. The D-Link R03 N300 Eagle Pro AI Smart Router is a compact Wi-Fi router designed for smooth internet use in small homes and apartments. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, connect your ISP modem/ONT to the WAN internet port of the router using a LAN cable. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. On your phone, turn on Wi-Fi. Connect to the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, printed on the router label. No password is required, or use the default password on the label if asked. Download the D-Link Eagle Pro AI app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Launch the app after installing it. If you're a new user, tap Sign Up to create a D-Link account. If you already have an account, tap Log In and enter your details. Open the app and tap Install New Device. Choose Router from the device list. Select D-Link R03. The app will automatically find your router. The app checks your internet type automatically. Select the correct option if asked. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, for most users, and second is PPPoE. Enter ISP username password. Tap Next and wait for confirmation. Enter a Wi-Fi name, SSID, of your choice, e.g., Home Wi-Fi. Create a strong Wi-Fi password, minimum 8 characters. This will be your main wireless network for all devices. Review your settings. Tap Next or Finish. The app will save and apply your settings. The router will restart. The LED will turn solid white. This means the router is fully set up and connected. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.